She swerved into oncoming traffic and nearly killed 5 or 6 people. One reckless decision, one near-deadly outcome. This is not just a story about DUI, it's a chilling reminder of how close tragedy can come. On the afternoon of April 23rd, 2022 in Santa Rosa, Florida, the sky was clear, the sun was bright, but on the roads, a deadly danger was lurking, hidden behind the wheel of an old sedan. A 911 call came in, the voice of a panicked man. "I'm behind a car. I swear to God, she almost killed 5 or 6 people. She drove straight into oncoming traffic. Thank God you guys are here."
All the way in the left lane and was head on with cars that were parked on Scenic going south. And there was a police officer on the...
Yeah, that was me.
That was you?
Uh-huh.
It's like twirling her hair, and it's just like going like
not a care in the world, you know?
How's it going today?
Just trying to
Yeah? What kind of errands you running?
you know, grocery shopping, filling bills, just adult things.
Yeah. So where were you coming from?
If we're being honest, I am on the way to pick up on my friend, and because like I don't like doing things by myself because I have anxiety, so I like getting on rides with me. So I was gonna go pick her up so I can go to the dispenser, get what I need, and then bring it back home. If you want to, I could show you my medical card.
Okay, that's a question.
Do you have a prescription
A
for
911 call came in, the voice of a panicked man. "I'm behind a car. I swear to God, she almost killed 5 or 6 people. She drove straight into oncoming traffic. Thank God you guys are here." When confronted by police, Amy remained eerily calm. She said she was just out doing adult things, a strangely ordinary excuse for such dangerous driving. Amy-Cathryn offered another story. She said she had anxiety and was on her way to pick up a friend because she didn't like doing things alone. A sympathetic explanation, but was it the truth? Or a cover-up for something more dangerous?
You are more respectful about it. If I'm just saying.
All right,
If we're all humans here, if you were respectful about it, I'm just saying.
where's your ID at? Was it in here?
Can I look for my wallet?
But the officer's sharp eyes didn't miss the critical detail. Sitting in plain sight on the driver's seat was something that would unravel Amy-Cathryn's entire story. A few white pills, Xanax, a powerful sedative that could turn any driver into a ticking time bomb. The tone of the conversation immediately changed. Realizing she had been caught, Amy-Cathryn's innocent act shattered. She became combative, demanding respect, even as she was clearly breaking the law and endangering others.
What? Okay, I just want to know what I was particular.
Okay. The reason you were pulled over, you were called in as a possible drunk driver. And from the people that were calling in said multiple things. I haven't been to the other side of your car or really inspected your car yet to verify that. But you were found here. She's getting out with you. You were called in as a drunk driver. Okay. Upon contact, she's finding things that are illegal in your car. So it's kind of the development that we're going. Okay. So for right now, while she's doing her job, we're going to give her some space and we're going to go sit at the front of that car. Okay. Okay. That's fine. You can, I mean, the fenders can be hot. I mean, if you went on this bumper, that's probably not going to be as hot, but the fenders get hot. Ma'am, over here, please. I've asked you. You're right. Did she say yes or no? I'm sorry, she started talking. Okay. Hey. I've asked you nicely. You asked me to be respectful, didn't you? Have I not been respectful with you? And you're not doing what I asked you. Okay, would you like to sit down on the grass over there?
I can sit down in my car?
No, you cannot.
What if I just have like him up everything?
No, you're not getting back in your car. You can sit on the grass over there, or we can sit in the back of this car here. Whichever one you... Okay? The only thing I'm seeing is there's some scratching stuff right there.
I'm gonna get my phone.
No, you're not. You're staying right here.
Okay, but why can't I get my phone to at least have...
You're not getting back in that car until they're done.
Okay, but I feel like I should be able to. It's my right to like anything that's happening in
Everything's
my life.
being recorded right here.
I know, but why can't I record it for myself?
You're not going back in that car.
But why can't I record?
You can request this.
You can come with me to my car. My phone is right on that seat. One of y'all can come to me to that seat to get my car. To videotape, because that is my human right. That is the bare minimum y'all can do. So I can go to my is right there. Look behind you.
So, you have any idea why we're here?
Apparently what man saying was I was drunk driving.
Okay, I take it you wasn't drunk driving.
No, I'm not drunk driving.
Out of curiosity, has your car always been like that in the front?
Yes, I have. Yeah, honestly, okay. What happened first? Okay, see this car?
I do.
One day I came back from work, was getting off and shit.
Mm-hmm.
That was missing. No clue how it was missing. It was missing. This side of my car, we have a Chevrolet truck that's into
Who's we?
It's my grandpa's
Gotcha.
old school Chevrolet truck.
Gotcha.
So it's it's big as fuck. And then we got a Jeep Cherokee that's also just built in the 1990s. And then they got a sidekick Suzuki.
Okay.
Or whatever it's called.
So, yeah.
Yeah, do I need to get that fixed?
No, I'm just curious. I'm talking for here. When I got here, I saw your demeanor, your actions, and all that stuff, okay? Now, when I talk to you even more, and I'm looking at some haters right now, okay? I'm looking at your pupils, I'm looking at your eyes, and I think that you might be on the influence of some type of narcotic. Not alcohol, but I believe in narcotic.
I understand.
Okay? So based off of what I'm seeing so far, would you be willing to do a field sobriety test to dispel my suspicions that you're under an influence type of narcotic? You willing to do that? Okay. Do you have any injuries that I need to know about? Head injuries? Have you had any previous concussions?
Not that I medically seek attention for. Yes. I mean, medical-wise, might have had a concussion. Never went to the hospital.
Have you ever had a concussion within the past 10, 24 hours?
10, 24 hours. No.
Spread your legs for me. Face the car. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
I'm looking for retro.
Spread your legs.
Ooh, damn, girl. Touching the ass and shit.
Face down. I said face down. She's straight. She's good.
Not touching my titties, bro.
It's all on camera.
Get off on my phone. I mean, you guys are gonna steal my lavender?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when the real confrontation began. Amy-Cathryn refused to be arrested. She thrashed, screamed, and turned the arrest into a chaotic roadside struggle. Restrained in the tight space, Amy-Cathryn's true self emerged. She kicked, screamed, and thrashed, forcing officers to use a safety restraint system to prevent her from harming herself or damaging the vehicle.
You want to try that?
Oh, you want to choke me the fuck out? Oh, you want to choke me out, girl? Do you want to choke out, girl? Holy fuck! Oh, you really want to choke me out, girl? Bitch, I was not doing nothing to you. You want to choke me?
Yeah.
Can you give me the Eagle 28 one more time to verify?
I thought they said they had it.
Huh?
I'll get it.
My grandparents' phone number because last time one of you guys took me to the mental hospital, my grandparents could not afford wigs! Okay, and your bitch-ass officers were like, oh, you're gonna be okay, this is fine, but all you guys do is fucking lie! Fuck that!
That's gonna be a fun ride out there.
Yeah. Man, I can still hear her screaming. I can still hear her. Jeez.
My God! I'm wasting your motherfucking time because you just need to meet your fucking quota! Ha ha ha! Fucking blue lives is in America! Blue lives is a fucking job choice! It is not a matter! It is not a privilege! You chose to be a fucking car! What are you gonna do to my... What are you gonna do to my car? What are you gonna do to my car? You know what? Everything is gonna be fine. I'm gonna get bailed out. And girl, I'm gonna have a good dip out this motherfucking place, bro. I can't wait. So genuinely, thank you for letting me finally be free and giving me such BS of capitalism to the point where it's like, wow, nothing really gives a fuck. Cops don't give shit about nobody. Meet their fucking quotas. And they pick and choose when they want to be nice. But like, at the end of the day, whole ass.
Over here.
Trying to tie me down, sir. Pussy ass fish, bro. All y'all want of me is your fucking quota!
Center Rosa, Unit 60.
Ha ha ha, Blue Lives Matter. It's a choice to be a cop, it's not a fucking life!
In the end, Amy-Cathryn Virginia Spencer was charged with DUI, driving under the influence, and possession of a controlled substance without a prescription. The court found her guilty of DUI and sentenced her to 2 years of probation, a relatively light punishment considering the tragedy she nearly caused. This case is a chilling reminder. The greatest dangers on the road often come from the least expected places. Under Florida law, DUI can result in up to 6 months in jail, a $1,000 fine, and a license suspension of up to 1 year. If there are aggravating factors, such as an accident or possession of unauthorized medication, the penalties can be much more severe, including felony charges.